Hello, Jacksonville, Florida. My name is Jose Schmidt, and I am the Patient Services Director for Hair Transplants of Florida. I have the pleasure of representing Dr. Samuel Bada, our board-certified cosmetic surgeon, specialist in both the FUE and FUT hair restoration. We know that in Florida you have many options for your hair restoration needs. One of the things we recommend is always looking at the value you will receive. And value is what you pay, how much you pay, and what you get for the amount you pay. We feel that we are the best option in Florida because if you take a look at our results, which you can see at www.hairtransplantsoflorida.com, you will see very impressive before and after pictures of our patients. We charge 20 to 30% less than national companies. Our marketing is just Google and word of mouth. That's the way we've built our market and continue to build our market. And those savings we pass on to our patients with great results. We feel also that it is important that a clinic guarantee their results. We stand behind expectations. We have a quality assurance committee that reviews every case, every result, and makes sure that all of our patients got their money's worth and then some. As a gesture of appreciation for those patients in Jacksonville who travel to our Orlando Surgery Center, we offer free hotel stays. That way you can arrive the night before surgery. You can have your procedure the next day and even drive back home, or you can stay an extra night and leave the following day. If you have any questions or are interested in a virtual consultation, you can reach us at 855-855-4310. And again, you can check out our results at www.hairtransplantsoflorida.com. Again, Jose Schmidt with Hair Transplants of Florida. We look forward to hearing from you.